You might not be aware of this one common issue that's actually preventing you from getting the best yields of your life. Seasoned growers are worrying less and less about the brand of light bulbs and are putting more and more priority on a high quality digital ballast. Why? Well, think about it this way. Traditional HPS grow lights have a shelf life and become less efficient the longer you use it. That's why professional horticultural experts like Jorge Cervantes and Danny Danko of High Times teach beginners to replace your grow bulb once every year. With the right ballast, you can prolong your grow bulb's life, increase its performance, and customize your lighting system for any stage in your plant's life. In this video, we're going to compare the performance of the 6 most popular ballasts today. Solistech, Galaxy, Yield Lab, Quantum, Phantom, and Extra Sun magnetic ballasts are all used to regulate electricity used by your bulb. We're going to show you why the ballast actually plays a larger role in light output and bulb longevity than the bulb itself. So to conduct this test, we set a 1000 watt Hortilux light in a standard air-cooled hood reflector. We placed the light 24 inches above the ground and marked 9 evenly distant points. We used the Sun System power meter to take the power readings. And the results are in. This is a direct comparison of PAR output, or photosynthetic active radiation, of each 1000 watt ballast. We explained about this in our 1000 watt HPS grow bulb comparison video, but in a nutshell, this is the best way to measure how effective your grow light system is for plants. The ballast with the highest PAR output goes to Solistech, with an average PAR output of 1063, and the least PAR output being the magnetic ballast from Extra Sun. Strictly comparing the most popular ballasts in the market on PAR output isn't really fair. All of them came with some amazing features that we want to highlight. Plus, we wanted to make this comparison fun. So we're going to give out awards to ballasts for different categories. The award for most cool goes to the magnetic ballast. Touching the ballast even after 30 minutes of being on, it still felt at about room temperature. Biggest and clunkiest award. This award also goes to the Extra Sun magnetic ballast. Coming in at a heavy 37 pounds and overall just a giant beast, this ballast is not good if you're limited on space or you don't like moving heavy objects. And on top of that, being so heavy, it makes it a challenge to mount. Silent as a Ninja award. The award for most silent goes to Solistech and the Phantom ballast. They both don't have a fan and run completely silent. They do run a bit warm, but overall not hot enough to be concerned with. Best performance.
And the best performance goes to Solistech.
They had the highest average PAR reading across the board, which was 1063. The second place runner-up was the Phantom ballast at 1046 PAR. Hottest hottie. The hottest ballast award goes to the Quantum. Running the Quantum got extremely hot, to the point where it's borderline uncomfortable to touch. We recommend not getting the Quantum if you're concerned with making your grow room too hot. Best bang for your buck.
Yar, the Yield Lab be the best bang for the booty.
This brand continues to amaze us with their prices. This brand usually performs in the mid-range while always being the lowest price. Best bells and whistles. The Phantom line of ballast wins best features because it has an inbuilt program that protects the lamp and the ballast in the event of the ballast turning off unexpectedly. The ballast is also smart enough to not restart a hot lamp for at least 15 minutes. It also has a sensor that detects when a lamp is dying and will tell you on its LED indicators. Most flexible. The most flexible award goes to the Galaxy. All these ballasts are dimmable, but only the Galaxy will work with a 400, 600, or 1000 watt HPS light, while the other ballasts require a 1000 watt light, but can be dimmed down to 50%. Compact as a Honda Civic award. The lightest and smallest ballast award goes to the Yield Lab. If you ever had a grow room with big clunky ballasts, you'll know the beauty of a compact, light design. Setup and mounting is easier and saves precious room in your grow room for plants, not ballast. The last thing that I want to know is that the Galaxy, Phantom, Solistech, and Yield Lab come with Super Lumen feature, while the Quantum and Extra Sun magnetic ballast do not come with that. The Super Lumen feature allows you to get extra life out of your older bulbs. Our complete test can be found at our blog. The link will be in the description below. Alright, so that's our ballast comparison video. What do you guys think? Was this a fair comparison? Let me know in the comments below, and also be sure to subscribe for our future videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.